What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews. Today I'm going to be reviewing Kasandrinos olive oil and their Balsamic 25-star vinegar. So I'm going to start with the olive oil. Their olive oil is a product from Greece, as you can see right there. It is certified organic, certified non-GMO. It's extra virgin olive oil. It is cold pressed, I believe. Let me make sure. Yeah, it's cold pressed. Extra virgin, organic, non-GMO. So it's cold pressed. It's from Laconia, I might be saying that wrong, Greece, with olives from the grove to preserve nutrients and flavor. The result is an aromatic, fully bodied olive oil that we are pleased to share. So I'm going to tell you what I like about this olive oil before I get into the vinegar. So many years ago, I lived in a place called Dearborn, Michigan. And in Dearborn, Michigan, it's the largest Middle Eastern populated city in the entire country. And because of that, there's a lot of imported goods from the Middle East, a lot of olive oil, figs and dates and different nuts and things like that, many things that come from the Middle East. And during the time that I lived in Dearborn, Michigan, I learned from locals that there were some olive oil companies that would mix olive oil with seed oils and or vegetable oils, which obviously you don't want, because olive oil in its healthiest and purest form is rich in vitamin E, polyphenols. It's actually a source of omega-7 fatty acids, which is a less known omega fatty acid that's very important for your health, and most people don't know that. So pure olive oil is really a superfood. Now, if you look at the Mediterranean diet, olive oil is quite literally a staple in the Mediterranean diet. So learning this as I lived in Dearborn, I learned that many companies mixed olive oils with seed oils, vegetable oils, things like that. And I started to be very cautious about the olive oil that I consumed, which is eventually what led me to Kasandrinos olive oil. Now, fast forward a bit more, because I didn't find Kasandrinos olive oil initially, I found some good organic olive oils that seem to be good, but a lot of them, pretty much all of them, are from California. Now, if you're familiar with the agricultural industry, you would know that California is full of pesticides and herbicides, fungicides, all the sides, C-I-D-E-S. Sides, the word side, C-I-D-E, literally means death. So fungicide kills fungus, pesticide kills pest, so on and so forth. Herbicide kills plants. So the problem with even pure organic olive oil coming from California is that it comes from a region that is very rich in all these pesticides and herbicides and fungicides and all this kind of stuff. So I still couldn't fully trust the health and the beneficial benefits of olive oil from here in the US. So with that being said, I had the mentality of, okay, like the best olive oil is obviously from Italy and Spain and Greece. Actually, the oldest olive tree in the world, I believe heirloom olives come from Greece, because the oldest olive tree in the world is, I think it's something like 5,000 years old. You can look it up online. It's this massive olive tree, and it is in Greece. So it seems as if Greece is the inception point of where olive trees started from, and then therefore olives, and then obviously therefore olive oil. So with that being said, Kasandrinos olive oil is a family-run company, and I have had the pleasure of having lunch with the founder of Kasandrinos in Florida several years ago, and he shared with me his family story. He's Greek, his family is Greek, and they had an olive farm or an olive plantation in Greece, and initially they were just growing these olives, and then he decided, you know what, we should start an olive oil company, and that's what led to Kasandrinos olive oil. So it's a really cool story, family-run business. Like I said, organic, non-GMO, rich in vitamin E, rich in polyphenols, it's a source of omega-7, and it's just incredibly healthy. So I trust the Kasandrinos brand. It's my number one go-to olive oil brand now. Sometimes when I'm out, I'll get an organic olive oil from another brand, but I mostly like to have this on hand. And then, once again, just to kind of say, most California brands of olive oil I don't really trust, just because of the herbicides, unfortunately, and pesticides and all that. Now, moving on to their balsamic vinegar. This stuff is delicious, amazing, and very unique. It's a sweet vinegar, and the reason for that is because I believe I don't know if it says it on here. Oh yeah, here it is. So it's concentrated in cooked grape musk with a red wine vinegar. Imagine those two things together. A grape musk with a red wine vinegar. It's absolutely fantastic. It's great on salads and vegetables. It's also great on steak and or chicken. It's great for not only vegetables, but it's also good with like cheeses as well. So this vinegar has a fantastic wide use in terms of variety and culinary uses, and it tastes absolutely extraordinary. So I give the Kasandrinos organic olive oil and Kasandrinos vinegar 5 stars out of 5 stars. Absolutely incredible. And even if I didn't meet the founder personally, I would still give this company a very, very high review of 5 stars. And the reason for that is because the quality is top notch. It's organic, non-GMO, extra virgin, all that kind of stuff. And it tastes exceptional. You taste that richness that you're supposed to taste in olive oil. And then with this vinegar, the red wine mixed with that grape must taste is exceptional. It's rich, it's sweet, it smells good. And you're just going to love the Kasandrinos brand and their products. So I'll give them 5 stars in their review. I'll link them up below. And also, if there's any discount codes or anything like that, I'll link it up below. I'll pin it in the comment section in the first comment below. And subscribe to the channel here for more health and wellness reviews. Actually, the next review I'm doing is of a berry that is the richest source of omega-7 fatty acid in the entire world. So subscribe to the channel below. And also, if you want to get discounts on more than 20 different health and wellness brands, visit the link pinned in the comment section below, and you'll get discount codes to health and wellness food companies, superfoods, supplements, skincare, fitness products. The list goes on and on and on. So check out the links below, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.